Yo, what's good, gang? So, look, if you guys want to become profitable, you need to focus on these 7 concepts. This is going to be no BS, straight to the point. I'm going to make it as simple as I could, but I'm going to tell you guys straight up the 7 concepts you guys need to become a profitable trader and the 7 things you guys should be focusing on rather than all this other stupid stuff that all these gurus are trying to tell you to focus on when they're probably not even profitable. So, let's get into it. First things first, before entering each trade, I want you to identify your risk and your targets. What does that mean though? So, before you enter each trade, you shouldn't be thinking, man, how much can I make in this trade? How much do I want to make in this trade? The number one thing you should be thinking is, what is the max I'm going to lose in this trade? Stop thinking about how much money you're going to make. Instead, thinking about how much money you're going to allow yourself to lose. And that's going to allow you to have such a better risk to reward. And honestly, it's going to help you trade your plan better because you're setting it inside your brain. Like, look, I am not going to lose more than this amount on this trade. Also, make sure you identify your targets as well, but that's after. Like, identifying your risk should always come first. So first things first is always identify your risks. Number 2, never enter into a trade blindly. Always have your levels marked down. So for me, I like to always mark down my pre-market low, my pre-market high, my previous day low and highs. And then also I do a system where it's called level to level trading. Basically, it's where the intraday levels, so the previous low of day, previous high of day, and the same day you mark down. So let me show you guys, for example. It's basically where, like, okay, say you see a bear flag or a bull flag intraday, right? What you're gonna do is you're gonna mark down the bear flag top and the bear flag bottom and trade those levels. So let me pull this up right here for you guys. Okay. So look, right here, we have a high of day, and then we have a previous low of day from this wick, right? What you want to do is mark down this low of day, since this is the level we bounced off of, and mark this is your level. This is your previous low of day. And then mark the next level we bounced off at. So boom, those are the 2 levels we bounced off at, correct? You mark those levels down. You also mark the top at, the ones we rejected at. So now look, you go down. Now you want to look for a retest of this level. You look for the retest, come right back down. Then you break under this level right here, right? And look what happens. We get a retest of it and then a dump. It's as simple as that, level to level. So have your levels marked down, have your key levels marked down, have your psychological levels marked down. So your levels ending in whole dollars, zeros, 100, 110, 105, 170, etc. Always have those levels marked down, and any other daily key levels that, previous higher time frame levels and stuff like that. So in general, have your levels marked down. Have your areas of big pivots marked down, and do not enter the trade blindly. It's like, if you don't have your levels marked down, you can literally be buying because you think it's going to go up, but you don't realize that it's rejected this level 10 times in the last 7 days. So what's probably going to happen? It's going to reject. You have to have your levels marked down. Next, zoom out. Your higher time frames equals the higher profitably setup. So you guys are all trading like the 1 minute, the 2 minute. Stop. The lowest I ever get is the 5 minute, and that's only for executions. Like, I'm always looking at the 5 minute, the 10 minute, the 30 minute, and also I keep an eye on the hourly and the daily before entering. When I'm scanning, I just look at the daily, and then if there's not too much previous data, since we're at like new highs or something, then I look at the hourly as well. But you need to zoom out and find higher time frame setup. So find like a 6 setup on the daily, and then move it to the lower time frame for your executions. But those are going to be your higher profitability setups, the ones where you're looking for setups that look good on a more broader spectrum. And even though I'm saying zoom out and look at your high time frames, zoom out on everything. Like, don't make your goals so closed. Like, give yourself time, dude. This is this time game. It's not a get rich quick overnight. And the second you think it's a get rich quick overnight scheme is the second you're not going to get rich from this stuff. Okay. Next, focus on one setup, one strategy, and stick to a few stocks. Guys, I trade the same exact setup every single day. And I know you guys have probably heard me say that so many times, because it's true. I do. I literally trade the same setup every single day because it works. So why wouldn't I? That's my setup. That's a setup I know in and out. If it's not broken, why fix it? So what I recommend to you guys is find your setup, and the way you're going to find that is through journaling and seeing what you like the best and just testing out trial and error. Once you find that strategy, stick to the few stocks that you're best at and just only trade those. Just consistency, consistency, consistency. Because the more you're consistent focusing on those stocks, the better your trading is going to be and the more higher accuracy you're going to have. So learn that strategy and just keep trading it over and over and over again and only trade that setup. Number 5, journal your trades and adapt to the market. Guys, the market moves in cycles, and if you're not able to adapt to these cycles, then you're not going to make it, because the market is truly like an everlasting learning experience. So you have to keep learning and moving with it as these cycles come. So what I'd recommend for you guys is getting like a journaling broker. And then what you should do is, once you have this journaling broker, like TradeZella is a great one, journal your trades and see like, okay, this was working a few months ago, but now it's not working and this is working instead. Let me try this instead, since this is what's been working lately and this hasn't been working lately. Cut out what hasn't been working and only do what's been working. And just, it has to be constant though. You have to be consistent with it so that you're just adapting to the market and adapting and adapting and adapting and adapting. Number 6, be a sniper. Be a sniper. While trading, I feel like so many people always take early entries, and what happens is they take early entries and they get forced to stop out and they miss out on the move. And the crazy thing is they don't enter where they told themselves they're going to enter. So look, guys, be a sniper, not a machine gun while trading. You'd rather just be precise and have precise execution that aligns with your trading plan. So if you say the retest level is 100, don't enter to 100.3. No. And if it doesn't get to 100, whatever. Enter at 100. Enter at the level that you said you're going to enter at. So that's all with following your trading plan and just being a sniper at the executions. Number 7, less is more. Guys, this one's like, dude, less is more is probably, this is the key to growing your account. It's less is more. Like this is a problem I struggle with too. I'm gonna be completely transparent with you guys. Like I used to truly always overtrade, and I'd be up on the day, and there was probably like a few weeks straight where I'd be up a ton. I had every single day I was green every single day. And what was happening is I was green, and then I was taking more trades after, and then I was just getting boom, bonked, just losing all my gains. And I stopped that. And once I realized, like, yo, I'm green for the day, I'm good. I made money today. I came out on the positive. I don't have to trade anymore. Like, now my goal is to spend the least amount of time actively in trades possible. I just want to get green and get the heck out of there and go on with my day. That's the goal. And that's the freedom with trading. That's it, though, guys. And I want you guys to realize that I see so many I see so many people that are just blatantly telling you guys false things, making you focus on all this other BS. No, don't overcomplicate things. Focus on what actually matters. Focus on the actual key concepts in trading. Focus on your mentality. Focus on your edge and focus on your mindset. And that is really, really what's going to separate you from all these other traders. So, yeah, guys, I mean, I'm just here, with my age and everything. I feel like I can give a more real and just build a more of a connection, because I'm trying to simplify everything for you guys. So that's what this channel is going to be. I'm going to be posting a lot more, as I've been said, and I've been posting. So hope you guys enjoyed. Drop a like and subscribe. This is just a start. This is the takeover. We're going to simplify trading. Peace.